Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome to our channel Study Hub 10th class. This is Anusha. Let us learn how to solve problems related to basic proportionality theorem, and these problems are also called as scale factor problems. The statement of BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem once, in a triangle ABC, if DE is the line which is drawn parallel to BC, then DE divides the remaining two sides AB and AC in the equal proportion, so that we can write AD by DB. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is what? The statement of basic proportionality theorem. If DE is parallel to BC, then it divides AB and AC in the equal proportion. So let's start our first problem. Let us see first problem. In the triangle ABC, given that DE is parallel to BC, then find the value of EC. In this AD, DB, AE and values are given, and one more condition is given that DE is parallel to BC. So according to the BPT theorem, if DE is parallel to BC, we can write the condition, that is AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is what the condition we have written by using basic proportionality theorem. So let us substitute the given values in this condition. The value of AD here we have is 1.5. By DB value is 3 centimeters and value of AE is 1 centimeter, and here we have to find the value of EC. So let it be as it is. And now see, for the simplification, 1.5 ones are 1.5, twos are is 3. So we'll get 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by EC. Observe carefully, by comparing the LHS and RHS, the value of EC we can write as 2. Therefore, EC is equals to 2 centimeters. Let's see next one. Here also DE is parallel to BC, then find the value of AD. According to the Thales theorem or BPT theorem, we can write that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now let's substitute the given values in this. AD value we don't have, we need to find it, so let it be as it is. By DB value is 7.2 centimeters and AE is 1.8 centimeters, by EC is 5.4 centimeters. For the simple calculation, once observe the RHS right hand side, the numerator and denominator both have 1 digit after the decimal. So directly we can write them as 18 by 54, which is equals to AD by 7.2. See, 18 ones are 18, 3s are 54. And now coming to the next step, AD by 7.2 is equals to 1 by 3. Now go for the cross multiplication. Do cross multiply. Then AD into 3 is equals to 1 into 7.2. Here AD is just like a variable part, 3 is a constant. So this multiplication will be as it is. So 3 into AD is equals to 7.2 ones are 7.2. See here we need to find the value of AD. So the remaining 3 value we don't want here, means in the LHS we don't want 3. So by transposing this 3 to the RHS, here it is multiplying. If we transpose, it gets divides. So AD is equals to 7.2 divided by 3. 3 ones are, see 3 twos are 6. 1 remains. Point. It becomes 12. 3 fours are 12. So the value of AD we have here is 2.4 centimeters. In this problem, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and the values of AD is x, AE is x plus 2, dB is x minus 2 and EC is equals to x minus 1. Then we need to find the value of x. See here given DE is parallel to BC. So according to BPT theorem, what we can write? AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is what the condition we can write. And now let us substitute the values of AD, DB, AE and EC in this. The value of AD is x, DB is x minus 2, AE is x plus 2 and EC is x minus 1. Then for finding the value of x, we need to do cross multiplication. X into x minus 1 is equals to x minus 2 into x plus 2. Like this we need to multiply. See here x into x minus 1. We need to apply distributive property here. A into B plus C or B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. So x into x is x square. Here we have minus, so we put on minus, and x into 1, x ones are is x, which is equals to. Now observe here we have an algebraic identity. A plus B into A minus B. We can remember it is A square minus B square. So it is x square minus 2 square. So x square minus x is equals to x square minus 4. Now for finding the value of x, let us write all the terms together. Means all the RHS terms will transpose to the LHS. Here when we are transposing, all the positive terms becomes negatives and negative terms becomes positives. That will we have to remember. So x square is as it is minus x, and once you observe in RHS, x square is a positive term. So when we transpose it to the LHS, it becomes negative and minus 4 becomes plus 4. In the RHS, nothing is remaining. So we can write 0. See here, when we write the like terms together, x square minus x square minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Plus x square and minus x square gets cancelled, and the remaining is minus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Here our intention is to find the value of x. So we don't need this 4 in the LHS. So transpose this plus 4 to RHS. Then we get minus x is equals to minus 4 because it is positive. Then if we transpose, it becomes negative. Both sides minus gets cancelled. Then x is equals to 4. So this is a way to find the x value by using basic proportionality theorem. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.